Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It is with a heavy heart that I end this series for this month of Ramadan 1445 Hijri. I ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, like He gathered us together in this world, in His masajid, reciting His book, being with the believers, fasting, giving charity, making prayers, and standing with our brothers and sisters in Palestine and Gaza. I ask Allah, like He gathered us here, that He will gather us in the hereafter. Subhanallah, we have been learning this at the ease of our homes and with the pleasure of security and food and drink, while our brothers and sisters are going through the worst suffering in the history of mankind. That's why, with a heavy heart, I also say to you, Eid Mubarak. May Allah Azza wa Jal make us with our brothers and sisters who passed away, who died as martyrs in Palestine. May Allah gather us with them on the Day of Judgment. Ameen Ya Rabbil Alameen. And at the end, I would like to remind myself and to remind you that again, learning everything we talked about in this last month does not mean that we're done just because we knew it. We have to turn that knowledge to an intention, internalize it. Then we turn it into words and actions. It's a lifelong journey. And Insha'Allah, as long as we're traveling on this path of Al-Sirat Al-Mustaqeem, Insha'Allah, our life ends on one action or another while we're doing good deeds, so that Allah grant us 𝗃𝘀𝘀𝘁𝘂𝘁𝘂𝘁, a good ending. For the one that Allah has chosen always ends his life on a good deed note. I wish that for myself, for my family, for you and your family. And Insha'Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you will have more episodes coming your way by Tawasaw Insha'Allah. This is your small organization, your family away from family, and Insha'Allah together we help one another and we apply the word of Allah. وَتَوَاصَوْا بِالْحَقِّ وَتَوَاصَوْا بِالصَّبْرِ وَالسَّلَامُ عَلَيْكُمْ وَرَحْمَةُ اللَّهِ وَبَرَكَاتُهُ.